The flower and heart work. A little boy Sami was playing in his garden. He saw a flower blooming far away from its friends. Sami thought, how did this flower bloom? I want to bloom like this too. Then he noticed that the gardener take care of this flower every morning, giving it water and looking after it carefully. Sami thought, if I also work hard, I can reach my goals too. From that day, Sami started working hard and focusing on everything he did. Lesson: if we work hard, we can make our dreams come true. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.